How do restoration companies and plumbers work together? When a pipe bursts or water damage happens, the plumber fixes the source of the leak, while the restoration company cleans up the mess, dries out the property, and repairs any damage so your home is safe and livable again. They work as a team, each handling a different part of the problem, so you don't have to manage two separate messes on your own. Think of it like this. If your bathtub overflows and floods the floor below, the plumber is the one who stops the water from coming out in the first place. Kind of like putting a bandage on a cut so it stops bleeding. But that bandage doesn't heal the skin underneath, and that's where the restoration company comes in, because they remove the soggy carpet, dry out the walls, and stop mold from growing. Something a lot of people don't know is that mold can start growing in as little as 24 to 48 hours after water damage happens, which is why restoration teams move so fast. Many restoration companies actually have plumbers on call or work with a trusted list of plumbers they call immediately, so everything happens almost at the same time instead of one after the other. This teamwork saves homeowners money because less time with standing water means less damage to floors, walls, and furniture. If you ever deal with a leak, the smartest move is calling a restoration company first, since they can often get a plumber to you faster through their network. One common mistake homeowners make is waiting to call anyone because they think the damage isn't that bad. But even a small leak can turn into thousands of dollars in repairs if it sits too long, so the tip here is to call someone the moment you notice water where it shouldn't be. Another misconception is thinking your homeowner's insurance automatically covers everything, when really it depends on the cause of the damage. So always ask the restoration company to document everything with photos for your claim. People also don't realize that hiring a company that offers both plumbing and restoration services under one roof can be faster and cheaper than juggling two separate companies yourself. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.